Welcome to Mr. Gun's Firearms. This is my pig, the M60. These machine guns were developed in the 40s. They weren't really put into service until like the late 50s. I want to say like 57. They were used by light infantry, recognized infantry. They're 7.62 NATO, so it's a big 308. M60 has a top loading mechanism here. And you open this up and there's a feed tray, right? So the belt goes in the feed tray, you close the feed tray, you rack the bolt. Tell me what you'd like to see in terms of machine guns. Leave it in the comments below. Like and subscribe. Let us know. Thanks for watching.